Hey everyone, this is Shar of YellowYum and welcome to my bathroom. Today I bring you a skincare video. So I am in my bathroom and I don't have any makeup on at the moment so that I can actually show you how I do my skincare and feature a little gadget that you can use to help you with your skincare. I actually saw this brand all over social media, so I was very excited to get my hands on their products and be able to show you and share with you my experience with it. Foreo is a Swedish high-end beauty tech company and it was founded in 2013, so it's still a little young. And today I wanted to show you the Foreo UFO. This is the little gadget. I got the color mint green. You can choose 3 different colors. They have like a hot pink, a baby pink color, and then this one is the mint green. You see the little name right here and also at the back. Now this Foreo UFO is a complete time saver when you're applying your mask, and as a mom I don't have a lot of time on my hands. If you didn't know, I am a new mom. I have 6-month-old twins and it's been very crazy and I don't really have a lot of time or a lot of downtime. So having products that help me save time is a must. And this one really has helped me with my skincare. So I'm going to show you how you use it. First thing you have to do is to download the Foreo app. So this is what it looks like right here. It's a little pink app, and when you download it, you get to add your devices. So currently I have 2 Foreo devices. So here we have the Foreo UFO, and as you can see, it is in mint green because that is what I got. Now before we get to the actual demo, I also wanted to show you the mask that you can use for your UFO. They actually have masks, different kinds of masks depending on your skin needs, and the ones that I have here are the Youth Junkie Intensive Renewal Collagen Infused Facial Mask here, and then the other one is the Foreo Glow Addict Enhanced Brightening Pearl Infused Facial Mask. So they are small. I mean, if you compare it to the sheet mask that we usually use, they are indeed small, and it comes in like a little round thing. I'm gonna show you in a bit, but these are very important because let's get one of the Youth Junkie ones. So you'll see like a little packet, and at the back there is a barcode. You will be using the barcode with your gadget in the app. So it's very important that you keep this. Don't discard it right away once you get the mask out. Let's get the app once again. I'm gonna press start and it will ask you to turn on your gadget by pressing it for 5 seconds. The power button is right there. Once it's connected, you'll see that the UFO is lit up, and there on my phone and in your app you'll see the different masks that you can use. So right here I will be using the Youth Junkie facial mask, and I'm gonna press that here and press start. Then it will ask you to scan the barcode of your facial mask. So again, the barcode is right at the back of the mask.
Secure the UFO activated mask to your device.
Remove this part, and put the mask on top. You will see that the mask is really soaked with product, with serum, and I just put it on top, and using the little clip, we will just put it back and secure it. There.
UFO across your face and neck, distributing mask essence evenly. Allow your mind and body to relax as red LED and a gentle warmth prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this age renewal complex. Warmth and T-sonic pulsations instantly infuse collagen-rich essence into your skin, while red LED light helps to give you a more youthful appearance. As this nourishing facial treatment comes to a close, warmth gradually reduces, while red LED light leaves you with a radiant, younger-looking complexion. You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed. Your smart mask treatment is now complete. If you'd like, you can repeat the treatment. Otherwise, dispose of the UFO activated mask and rinse your device under running water.
That's it. As you can see, it took only 90 seconds for me to apply my facial mask and my serum in. That's what I love most about this UFO. It only takes a little amount of time, just 90 seconds instead of the usual 20 to 30 minutes with a facial mask or your sheet mask. Because of the heat, it actually helps the skin absorb the serum better. And because you're constantly massaging it to the skin in a circular motion, it evenly distributes the serum. There's also the T-sonic pulsation that you'll feel, I think, a few seconds after you start. That actually provides a soothing facial massage, which I know that I need and deserve. You may have noticed that the color of the light changed into red. That's because there's 3 different LED lights. There's red, blue, and green depending on what you're targeting. So for this Youth Junkie serum or this Youth Junkie activated mask, the red LED light helps gives like a warm feeling on your face that helps stimulate your blood circulation. Those LED lights are targeted photofacial to rejuvenate your skin. I also wanted to talk about the UFO activated mask. They are sourced in Korea, which we all know is the capital of facial masks. They are called UFO activated masks because those are the masks that you can use with your UFO and UFO 2. I have used this UFO the entire week already, and I must say it kind of jump-started my love for skincare and masks. I told you that I don't have a lot of time in my hands doing skincare, and this has really helped me get back to the skincare game, especially now that we're on quarantine and we don't really put on a lot of makeup. I think it's high time to really focus on our skincare. So that ends my little demo on the Foreo UFO. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you want to know more and also order your own UFO, I'll be putting the link in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. All of my social media links will be in the description box below, so please check them out and follow me. I will see you in the next one. Bye!